They looked at you in the eye, smiled, and stabbed you in the back. Not once, but repeatedly. You trusted them, gave them your time, your loyalty, your heart. In return, they gave you lies, silence, or worse, indifference. Betrayal doesn't always come with a loud crash. Sometimes it comes in the form of a soft smile and a slow, calculated withdrawal. You know what it feels like to walk into a room and suddenly feel smaller, not because you changed, but because someone you trusted shifted the ground beneath you. This isn't just about being hurt. It's about being broken by those you never imagined would cause you pain. Today, we don't sugarcoat. Today, we confront the truth. You're not alone in this. Many carry the weight of unspoken betrayal, but most never do what you're about to do. Face it, dissect it, and rise above it. Betrayal isn't just an act. It's a revelation. It exposes the true nature of those around us and challenges our understanding of trust. In this video, we're diving deep into the 3 most unforgivable betrayals in relationships, guided by the timeless wisdom of Stoic philosophy. The first is disloyalty. There's a moment every man remembers, not just a betrayal, but the split second when he saw someone he trusted choose themselves at his expense. Disloyalty isn't an accident. It's not a misunderstanding. It's a decision made with full awareness. And if you don't develop the discipline to see it for what it is, it will continue to sabotage your peace, your confidence, your masculinity, and your future. Stoicism teaches us that loyalty from others only comes after you build unshakable loyalty to yourself. If you're letting people stay in your life who switch sides when you're not winning, or who speak differently about you when you're not in the room, you're not just tolerating disrespect. You're telling your own soul it doesn't matter. And there's no coming back from that until you decide to raise your standard, not as an act of revenge, not to prove a point, but because you finally realize the cost of letting unworthy people stay close is far greater than the cost of walking alone for a while. The second is deception. Deception isn't just a one-time lie. It's a pattern of manipulation carefully wrapped in good intentions. It's not the blow that hits hardest. It's the one you didn't see coming. Stoicism teaches us to observe patterns, not just listen to words. Words are cheap. Patterns reveal truth. When someone shows you who they are, believe them. And if you're chasing lies, interrogating friends, collecting screenshots, you've already lost your peace and given them too much power. A Stoic man removes liars, not with aggression, but with indifference and clarity. He does not chase lies. He does not negotiate with deception. He simply walks away, not because he's cold, but because he values his peace more than the illusion of trust. The third is emotional manipulation. This is the most silent and strategic form of betrayal. It doesn't show up with shouting or obvious abuse. It arrives wrapped in love, disguised as affection, making you question your intentions, your reactions, and even your instincts. Emotional manipulation isn't about breaking you in one big moment. It's about draining you, piece by piece, until you doubt your own mind. Stoicism teaches emotional detachment, not coldness, but clarity. You don't fix manipulation by loving harder. You fix it by loving yourself enough to walk away. You protect your spirit. Build a circle that doesn't require confusion for connection. And demand loyalty, not in words, but in actions. Manipulative people feed off your empathy, your guilt, your desire to be the good guy, and you have to starve that dynamic by removing their access to your life. To heal from betrayal, you must rebuild your confidence, not from ego, but from clarity. Betrayal wasn't your fault for trusting. but it is your responsibility to ensure it doesn't happen again. The Stoic man builds a life so solid that manipulation, deception, and disloyalty cannot survive in his presence. So if you've been hurt, lied to, or manipulated, don't just watch this video. Act on it. Comment, "I choose truth over betrayal," if you're ready to protect your peace and raise your standards. Subscribe if you want more Stoic strategies to build unshakable strength and true resilience. Because the world doesn't need more passive men. It needs men who see clearly, act decisively, and refuse to tolerate betrayal, no matter how beautifully it's disguised. Betrayal is more than just a wound. It's a revelation. It strips away the illusion of trust and exposes the truth hidden beneath the surface. Disloyalty, deception, and emotional manipulation are not just acts of betrayal. They are tests of your strength, boundaries, and commitment to self-respect. A Stoic man does not break under the weight of betrayal. He builds walls of wisdom and resilience. He learns to observe, not just listen, to walk away, not just confront, to detach, not just endure. If you've been hurt, if you've been lied to, if you've been manipulated, know that rising above it is not just possible, it's necessary, because peace isn't just handed to you, it's built, brick by brick, boundary by boundary. You owe it to yourself to surround your life with loyalty, clarity, and unshakable peace. And if you're ready to take that step, to protect your spirit, to strengthen your resolve, and to rise above betrayal, I want you to comment, "I choose truth over betrayal." Let that be your declaration. A line in the sand where disloyalty ends and your new standard begins. If you found value in this video and want more Stoic strategies to build emotional mastery, hit the subscribe button and join a community that doesn't just talk about strength. We live it. Until next time, stay strong, stay stoic, and never settle for anything less than truth.